No, we're not talking about that for now. Day life talk later. Right, snow on its way. We could be in for a white Christmas, so watch out for it. Don't forget to watch out for it. Watch this video now, will be good. The last maps show all of the UK under frost. Snow up to 11 centimetres could fall in the northwest of Scotland and 9 centimetres in the northeast England, with 4 centimetres in the northwest, southwest, and in Wales, hitting into the weekend before Christmas. Almost all of the UK map turns icy white, and as much as 18 centimetres of snow is forecast to smother a large area of North England. The odds of snow will trigger a deep freeze throughout the UK, which temperatures threatening plummet below freezing by the middle of next week. On Wednesday evening, large parts of Scotland could freeze in lows of -1, which the current threatening gets about 0 degrees throughout the rest of Britain. But the bitter cold snap in something on Thursday, which lows of -5 in Scotland, -3 in North England, and -2 in the Midlands. Temperatures could even fall towards freezing around London and the south coast. The deep freeze continues into the weekend, but temperatures plummet flurry next Saturday, with lows of -7 in North Scotland and North England. In the Midlands and the North of Wales, such a thing gets above freezing. Snow will inflate across the UK around the middle of December. By the time we have heard towards next weekend, the cold air flowing in from the north can something which increasingly most rate from the south as severe storm approach Western Europe from the eastern Arctic. Dude, this is gonna. The last Met Office forecast for 6th to 15th say on Tuesday, showers and rain are expected in the south and southeast states and north of the UK. Snow and heavy showers are then possible across higher ground. Scotland low temperatures -27. Get me now, brother. December the 24th, 2010 was Ireland lowest temperatures. Temperatures at low minus something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Basically, there's going to be a cold snap coming next week. The potential of some very cold weather to come. Very bad snow showers. I don't know how bad. I'll keep it all updated. But stay safe. Just go out once a week. Get all of the food you need. Get the Pokemon cards. Just anything. Go and get it all in one go. Stock up on things. Yeah. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up would be good. Like and subscribe and comment below from YouTube. Like and comment here on TikTok. Sorry it's a long one, I had to read it for everyone. Bye.